counties in Ohio: Ashland, Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Crawford, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Holmes, Huron, Knox, Lake, Lorraine, Mahoning, Marion, Medina, Morrow, Portage, Richland, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Wayne, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford, Erie Inland, and Erie Lakeshore. Winter storm watch in effect from Monday morning through Tuesday afternoon. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 9 inches possible. Where? Portions of northwest Pennsylvania and north central and northeast Ohio. When? From Monday morning through Tuesday afternoon. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. The forecast for northeast